Looking for the best electric bike for adults without wasting money on the wrong one? I ranked 5 very different options from weakest to best, and the differences are bigger than you might expect. Coming in at number 5, this little folding bike is the most basic option in the lineup. It is compact, easy to stash in a corner, and simple to use, but once you compare it with the others here, it feels more like a last-mile helper than a full adult e-bike. The biggest selling point is convenience. The folding frame makes it easy to carry into an apartment, fit in a car trunk, or tuck under a desk. For short city hops, quick errands, and smooth pavement, it does the job. And for riders who do not want something powerful or intimidating, this one feels approachable right away. The problem is that it gives up a lot in return. The 14-inch wheels are much less comfortable on rough roads, the range is the shortest in the group, and the speed ceiling is modest. On top of that, the battery and range numbers vary depending on the listing, which makes it harder to feel fully confident about what you are getting, compared with the better sorted bikes higher on this list. This is the one to consider if storage space matters more than performance. But if you want something that feels more grown up, more stable, and more capable day to day, the next bike is a big step up. Links to all the products in this review at the best price are in the description under the video. At number 4, we have the Wildcard of the list. This bike goes in the opposite direction from the folding model. Instead of small and simple, it is huge, fast, and built to grab attention with massive power claims. On paper, it sounds incredible. You get dual motors, a very large battery, fat tires, and hydraulic brakes, plus a claimed top speed that is way beyond what most adult riders even need. For loose ground, rough paths, and anyone chasing raw thrill, it clearly offers more punch than the entry-level options. In pure straight-line excitement, it leaves the folding bike in the dust. But here is the catch. The power figures vary a lot depending on the source, and when numbers start changing from one listing to another, that is always a red flag. It is also less practical for everyday commuting because the extreme setup can feel like overkill. Compared with the top commuter-friendly bikes in this ranking, this one is harder to recommend as an all-around choice. This bike makes sense for riders who want speed, size, and attitude above everything else. For most people, though, the next option is easier to live with and much more balanced. And while you are here, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. At number 3, things start getting much more practical. This step-through bike feels like a real everyday option for adults who want useful power without jumping into the deep end. What I like here is the balance between comfort and performance. The step-through frame is easier to get on and off. The removable battery adds convenience, and the stronger motor gives it more muscle than a basic city bike. Compared with the folding model, it is more stable and more confidence-inspiring, and compared with the high-powered dual motor bike, it is a lot more realistic for normal daily riding. It is not perfect, though. Some of the range claims change depending on where you look, and the brand support ecosystem is not as proven as what you get from more established names. So while it looks good on paper, it does not feel quite as settled or as polished as the top 2 bikes in this ranking. This is a good pick for riders who want solid power and an easy-to-use frame without spending for a premium name. But if you want a stronger mix of brand confidence and everyday commuter feel, the next bike edges ahead. At number 2, we have the most balanced commuter in the lineup. This is the kind of bike that makes sense the moment you look at it. It is not trying to be the fastest or the flashiest. It is trying to be the bike most adults will actually enjoy riding. In my experience, that matters more than giant power numbers. The Cityscape gives you comfortable wheel size, useful speed, a removable battery, front suspension, and a simple 7-speed setup that works well for everyday riding. Compared with the Movcan, it feels a little more grounded and a little more believable as a daily city bike. Compared with the extreme fat tire bike, it is far easier to picture using for work, errands, and relaxed weekend rides. Its downside is that it does not have the brute force or premium braking hardware of the #1 bike. Some seller pages also disagree on peak power, which is worth noting. So while it is a strong all-rounder, it is not the most feature-packed machine in this group. This is the bike I would point to for riders who want a safe, sensible, easygoing commuter. But if you want more comfort, more hardware, and more long-range potential, the top pick takes things further. At number 1, this is the strongest overall package in the ranking. It combines serious power, comfort-focused design, and better equipment in a way that feels more complete than the rest. The big win here is the feature set. You get full suspension, hydraulic brakes, fat tires, a 7-speed drivetrain, and the choice of a smaller or larger battery depending on how much range you want. Compared with the Cityscape, it offers a more premium ride feel and more muscle. Compared with the Movcan, it gives you better hardware and more comfort. And unlike the Ultra Power bike earlier in the list, this one feels strong without crossing into pure excess. Of course, that moped-style design is not for everyone. It is heavier, less pedal-friendly than a more traditional city bike, and riders who want a classic bicycle feel may prefer the Heybike. But when you look at performance, comfort, and equipment together, this one lands at the top. This is the bike for adults who want the most complete mix of power, ride comfort, and real-world usefulness from this group. It is the one that feels most like a full package rather than a compromise. Check out the top products using the links in the description under the video, and pick the one that matches the way you actually ride. And if this ranking helped you out, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest gear reviews.